Let us do some question based on various concept of algebraic expressions. So first is try these, page number 230. Describe how following expressions are obtained. First is 7xy plus 5. This expression can be stated as product of 7x and y is added to 5. Next is x square y. This expression can be stated as product of square of x and y. Next is 4x square minus 5x. This expression can be stated as product of 5 and x is subtracted from product of square of x and 4. Next is try these, page number 231. First question is, what are the terms in the following expression? Show how the terms are formed. Draw a tree diagram for each of the following expression. So first we have 8y plus 3x square. In this expression, the terms be 8y and 3x square. Now, this expression can be expressed as a tree diagram as, first of all, write expression 8y plus 3x square. In this expression, there are two terms. First is 8y and second is 3x square. So here write terms. Next, write the factors of these two terms, that is 8y and 3x square. So here write factors, and first of all write the factors of 8y, which can be written as 2, 2, 2 and y, because 8 has factor 2, 2 and 2. Similarly, 3x square can be factorized as 3xx. So this is the required tree diagram to represent terms and factors of the given expression 8y plus 3x square. Next is second part, 7mn minus 4. So first of all write here expression 7mn minus 4. Again this expression contains two terms. So first of all write here terms, and the terms of this expression be 7mn and minus 4. Since 7mn can be factorized as 7mn and minus 4 can be further factorized as minus 2 and 2. So the factors of the terms 7m and be 7m and n, and minus 4 be minus 2 and 2. So this is the required tree diagram to represent the expression 7mn minus 4. Next is third part, 2x square y. So first of all write here expression 2x square y. Since this expression contains only one term, so write here term, that is 2x square y. Next, factor of 2x square y be 2xx and y. So this is the required tree diagram to express the expression 2x square y. Next is try these page number 231. Identify the coefficients of the terms of the following expressions. So first we have expression 4x minus 3y, which contains the term 4x and minus 3y. Since we know that a numerical factor of any term is called coefficient of that term. Since 4x having numerical factor 4, therefore coefficient of 4x be 4. And minus 3y having numerical factor minus 3. Therefore, minus 3y having coefficient minus 3. Next, expression a plus b plus 5. Since this expression contains three terms a, b and 5. Since a having numerical factor 1. Therefore, the coefficient of a is 1. Similarly, b having numerical factor again 1. Therefore, the coefficient of b is again 1. But 5 is constant term because 5 is not attached with any variable. So, we will not write the coefficient of 5. Next, third expression 2y plus 5. Again, this expression contains two terms 2y and 5. Since 2y having numerical factor 2, therefore coefficient of 2y be 2. Again, 5 is not attached with any variable, therefore 5 is a constant term and we will not write the coefficient of 5. Next is expression 2xy. Since this expression contains only one term, that is 2xy, and 2xy having numerical factor 2. Therefore, the coefficient of term 2xy be 2. Next is try these, page number 233. Group the like terms together from the following. Since 12x minus 25x and x having same algebraic factor x. Therefore, 12x minus 25x and x be the first group of like terms. Next, 12 minus 25 and 1 are the constant terms. Therefore 12 minus 25 and 1 be the second group of like terms. Again, minus 25y, 12y and y having same algebraic factor y. Therefore, minus 25y, 12y and y be the third group of like terms. Next is try these, page number 233. Classify the following expressions as monomial, a binomial and a trinomial. So first we have expression a plus b. Since this expression contains two unlike terms, that is a and b. Therefore, a plus b is a binomial. Second is ab plus a plus b. Since this expression contains three unlike terms, that is ab, a and b. Therefore, ab plus a plus b is a trinomial. Next is third expression ab plus a plus b minus 5. Since this expression contains four unlike terms, that is ab, a, b and minus 5. Therefore, this expression is a tetrapolynomial. Next is xy. Since this expression contains only one term xy, therefore this is monomial. Next is xy plus 5. Again, this expression contains two unlike terms, that is xy and 5. Therefore, xy plus 5 is a binomial. Next is sixth part, 5x square minus x plus 2. Again, this expression contains three unlike terms, that is 5x square minus x and 2. Therefore, 5x square minus x plus 2 is trinomial. Next is 7th part, 4p minus 3q plus 5p. Again, this expression contains three unlike terms, that is 4p minus 3q minus 5p. Therefore, 4p minus 3q plus 5p is trinomial. Next is 7. Since this contains only one term, 7, therefore this is monomial. Next is 9th part, 4m minus 7n plus 10. Again, this expression contains three unlike terms, that is 4m minus 7n plus 10. Therefore, this expression is trinomial. Next, 10th part, 4mn plus 7. Since this expression contains two unlike terms, that is 4mn and 7. Therefore, 4mn plus 7 is binomial.